How do you know that a skincare product is working for you? Personally, I do not come to know this until the product is doing something very special for my skin or until it is doing something really wrong to my skin. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I would be talking about a new skincare product that I recently bought and would like to share my experience about the same. So the product that I would be talking about in this video is one of the variants of these new sleeping masks that were recently launched by Nykaa. Now by recently I do not mean a day or two back, but it was actually launched maybe last month before Nykaa had their summer super sale. So I bought this particular one actually before the sale and I started using this almost 3 weeks back. I have used this product enough to share my experience with you guys, and in today's video I would be sharing with you how to use this particular product, how long will it last, and what exactly this did to my skin, whether I would recommend this product or I won't recommend this product. Sorry for the change in the light because the sun is acting a little weird, so you might experience shift in the light from the background. So now before talking about how I feel about this product, let's get into the packaging of the product. This is how the outer packaging of the product looks like, and this is how small the product is. If I compare this particular product with my palm, it is actually very small as compared to my palm, but because it just contains 10 ml of product, I actually expected it to be this small. So it contains a little detail about the manufacturer and the date of packaging and expiry on the back of the packaging. This is how you open the lid, and after using it you can easily close the lid to secure the product for next uses. Yes, this is the fact that I actually liked about the product, that this is not a pouch and it is very easily reusable, and the packaging is very unlike the other packaging, the tube packaging, because when you actually have a tube it gets really difficult to get onto the last amount of product, which is not the case with this particular one. Because this is a little tub, you can easily use even the last traces of the product. So this is how the consistency of the product looks like. It is very gel-like and very soft and smooth. On looking at first, it does look like it is a very small amount of product and you cannot use it more than a couple of times. But as I will show you further that how to use this product, you only need a very small amount of product for your whole face. So this particular amount of product would actually last you more than 15 days. All you have to do is pick a little bit of product. This much product is actually sufficient for one-time use, and you just have to apply this all over your face. Now because the consistency of the product is very gel-like, it is very easy and very smooth to apply, and it actually gets absorbed very nicely on the skin. Now you have seen how the product looks like and how compact and easy the packaging is. Now I'll show you how I actually use this product, or how this product is actually recommended to be. So in order to use this sleeping mask, all we have to do is take the product in your hand, just open the lid and take a little bit amount on your hand. A very little amount goes a long way. So all I am doing is taking just this much amount on my finger and applying it all over my face. As per the instructions given on how to use this product, all you have to do is apply a very thin layer of the product on your face and just let it sit overnight on your skin, and all you have to do is wash your face in the morning and you are good to go. Now you know how this product looks like and how exactly it is supposed to be used. Now let's talk about my personal experience with this product. Before going into the detail, I would simply like to say that I did not like this product, or I should say that this particular product did not work for me. Now let's talk about what actually happened. The very first night when I used this product, I actually liked the way it made my skin feel. My skin was feeling really soft and bouncy the next day when I washed my face with cold water. So on day one it was completely fine and I did not find any difficulties with this particular product. Then because I was liking the way it was working for my skin, so I applied it on the consecutive night as well. I did feel good at that night, but in the morning I found a couple of breakouts around my nose right here. I didn't realize that is it because that I generally have a combination skin and I do tend to have pimples around my nose, or is it because of something new that I have added in my skincare routine? So I just continued applying this product for the third night as well, and on the next day I actually find two more pimples right around my cheeks and around my forehead. I was a little confused, and I did have a doubt on this particular product that maybe something in this product is not working for me, because this was the only thing that I changed in my night care routine. So I stopped using this product for a week. After a week, I wanted to give this product another try, so I applied this product for 2 consecutive nights again, and the same thing happened. My skin had breakouts on the other side of my face, and again, even that time, this was the only thing that I changed in my skincare routine. I'm not actually sure about which ingredient in this product is not working for my skin, because I have tried tea tree and aloe vera before, and both of them works wonderfully for my skin. By the way, there is no list of ingredients mentioned on this little packet. I haven't actually checked the Nykaa's website, which I think might be having the list of ingredients mentioned. So I'll just have to go and check back each and every ingredient which might not be working for my skin or which is giving me breakouts. But as of now, this particular product just mentioned that it contains aloe vera and tea tree, and somehow it is making my skin break out. I do have sensitive skin, and 30 to 40% products, skincare products, actually do not work for me, specifically when they are like sleeping masks like this or very thick face masks. They do not actually tend to work for my skin, but there has to be something, there has to be an ingredient just causing those breakouts on my skin. I have never had such bad breakouts on my skin which I had with this. The pimples I had were pretty thick. I just insert a video of myself without makeup where you can actually see the situation of my face. So this is the condition of my face right now. I do have breakouts around my nose, and they are actually pretty big ones. I have this one around my chin, and here on my head area as well. So I just developed this one after first use, but rest of them I have developed just yesterday when I've used the product for 3 to 4 times. So yes, this is how my skin looks after using the product for like 4-5 times. So that is how my face looks like after continuously using this product. I'm not sure whether it is the sleeping mask thing or is it the variant of this particular one. Now, because I didn't want to give my opinion based on just one variant, I ordered the rice water variant as well, but unfortunately I received everything else from Nykaa apart from the sleeping mask. And because I usually keep my products outside for a couple of days, I didn't even realize that I haven't received it. So yes, I haven't used any other variant apart from this tea tree and aloe vera one, and this did not work for my skin. Also, for 175 rupees for this much amount of product, I am actually not very impressed. Though yes, I did say that you can use this product around 15 times, but I still would say that 175 rupees for this product is a little on the pricier side. I ordered the second one at a discount for 149 rupees. 149 rupees is, again, you might say a little pricey, but I do feel that 149 rupees is still good for 15 uses. As in, if you just break it out, you are just paying 10 rupees per use, which is okay for a skincare product if it works for you. But again, unfortunately, this particular product did not work for me. So if you have a sensitive acne prone skin, so I personally would not recommend this particular variant for you. It did not work for me, and if you have a sensitive skin like me, then it might not work for you as well. If you have tried this particular product and have had a different experience, then do let me know in the comment section down below. It has happened a lot of times that a particular skincare product has worked wonderfully for someone else, but whenever I try that product, it does not work for my skin. So if you have tried this product, then I would love to know about your experience on this product. If you like today's video and would like to see more such skincare reviews on my channel, then do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please do consider subscribing to my channel. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Namaste.